movie and some
The
action of the
cast of
year.
Family Matters, City Productions and Top Story, and the cast of Mama Sapalo. Now it can be told, the Rancho Film Productions.
It's a tie! Presenting Example Acting of the Year.
Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Treasurer Mildred Baco and PMPC Treasurer Lourdes Capitano.
Good evening. Thank you so much to the members of the Philippine Movie Press Club for this the 39th PMPC Star Awards for Movies Best Ensemble for Family Matters. Ako po on behalf of the Florencio family, maraming salamat po sa inyo at sa lahat na sumuporta sa aming pelikula na tunay naman talagang pangpamilya. At saka yung nabuo naming pamilya ay hindi mo makikita umaacting kami. Kasi totoong pamilya kami. And I think that's what the movie showed everybody. So maraming salamat po ulit sa PMPC.